Hi guys, good morning. I'm DINEO. I'm very old school. I really like Bibles that are paper because I get to highlight, I get to write in them, I get to, focus. I get to do the most on them. But because life doesn't make it too easy to go around carrying a Bible, I really like this version. It's YouVersion. It's a YouVersion Bible, and I'd recommend that people get it. So I'm going to explore. I want to explore it with you guys just to, you know, yeah. So it's by YouVersion. And at the top, it says good morning and your name and shows you a streak, how many days you've been on, how many weeks you've been on. It's very addictive to keep a streak going. Under that is a verse of the day image. Today's verse of the day is Psalms 22, 1 to 3. You can save this or you can share it. You can do whatever you want with it. Underneath that is the actual verse, like the whole thing. You can open different versions and compare versions in KJV, NLT, KJV, NASB, Amplified, whatever you feel like reading, it's there. You can just download it and read that, whatever's comfortable for you. And if the verse that shows isn't exactly like just speaking to you, you can read different versions, or you can open up the whole verse, the whole chapter, and read above and under to see what it is. You can download it in Setswana. This is very interesting for me lately, and yeah, I'm learning the Setswana Bible. And yeah, under that, they have plans related to Psalms 22 verse 1, glory song, greatest warrior, mad at God. And plans are basically devotionals. They're plans for like 3 days to a month, 6 months, so you can just focus on a certain topic. Right under save for later and sample, they give you like a brief, like some information about what the plan is about. And if you don't like that particular plan, there are related plans that you can go through. There's ones for how to get through what you're going through, negative emotions, finding God in hard places. You just choose, you just to keep you in the Word. And this is a day by day thing. There's a devotional that you read, and then there are verses that you read, so you can focus on hearing the voice of God through Scripture. Yeah. And what else? My plans. I have plans that I'm currently doing. I'm about to start Nothing Else by Cody Carnes. I really like the song. I really like him. So I was like, let me just see what he has to offer. Yeah, so these are my plans currently. Although 2 of these 3 plans are really, I'm struggling. And they keep your completed plans in case you want to go back and read again. And like maybe you've missed something, or maybe you feel like you're in a place where you can like explore deeper. They have a prayer section where we can post prayers to pray with other people or pray with YouVersion and the world for different topics, especially right now. They have badge progress for notes, for plan completions. They really try to get you interested in getting things done within the app. Then there's plans your friends are reading. You can see what they're up to. Maybe it'll encourage you to open that plan. And then the new plans that they recommend to you, different types of ones depending on, and then the suggested friends and their plans related to that. And if you don't want to do plans, there's the actual Bible. All of the books are in there, different versions, whatever you're comfortable with. You don't have to read thee, thou, thou. If you don't want to read thee, thou from NKJV, and I prefer KJV, and I prefer NKJV. Yeah, so all the books are there, and if, say for instance, you're reading, let's say, Acts 2. Acts 2 is a very good chapter. Let's say you're reading Acts chapter 2, and you're like, ooh, divided tongues, You can create an image to keep for yourself or to share with other people, or you can just highlight and it saves your highlights for you in a different section in the app. You can write a prayer. I don't really use this thing, so yeah, I'm not really sure how to use it. And you can write a private note. No one has to see it, so yeah. Private or public note, depending on what you like, what you want to do. What else? Bible in 90 days is like showing me dust, to be honest, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna finish it. They have plans. You can find plans. There's plans on anxiety, plans on the Bible, plans on Lent and Easter. Today, when you're watching this, it's gonna be Good Friday, so I hope you guys take communion, are prayerful, grateful, thinking of your salvation and Christ. There are plans on dating, on marriage, on work, on leadership, because Christians dominate, authority. There are plans on prayer, and you see one on War Room. There are lots of plans that were like based or what can I call it, on movies. Like I did one that was on Harriet Tubman, because it was on perseverance and hearing the voice of God, and it was interesting. There are plans on faith, and there's listen and watch, where you have audio, where you have somebody reading to you in case you're more of like you need to hear the word. And faith comes, my battery's low. Faith comes by hearing, and hearing the word. So yeah, there are videos, video devotionals. I don't really use this because the way my Wi-Fi is set up. But anyway, this is what it looks like. You can choose to do it by yourself or with friends. Like you can have friends join you and you do it together, or you can do it by yourself privately. Look at how long it's taking to load this video. This is why I don't use it. Trusting the Bible. It takes time, hey? So yeah, you can have a person preach to you, like
trust
basically,
the Bible?
or teach you.
If you are really following Jesus,
whatever
then
it
you
is that
trust
you
the
are
Bible.
trying to
If you really
learn
trust the
or
Bible, then
immerse
you're
yourself
following
in.
Jesus, because the Bible.
And you can save it for later, or sample it, or start it then. And yeah, there's also search. You can search for whatever you feel like searching. There are Bible stories. There are, there images that are made, so you can like click on it and see what it's really about. And there's this more section where you can see your notes, your highlights, and all that stuff. And there's community, where your friends, you can see what your friends are doing, what they're highlighting, what they've shared, and stuff like that, to encourage you through your walk also. But yeah, that's my favorite Bible app. I hope you guys have a favorite Bible app. I'll put the link in the description box just in case you guys need, want to download YouVersion, because I really like YouVersion. But anyway, be kind, be amazing, be the best version of yourselves. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.